Hey shop owners, this is Will here from your Drive Marketing Services team.
And I'm Phil. Quick question. How full are your bays right now?
Are you seeing the right cars coming in?
Or just whatever happens to show up?
Because the goal is not just more cars.
It's better cars. It's the kind that keeps your shop profitable.
At Drive, we believe that your marketing should actually drive growth, not just activity. That's where we come in as your partner.
In this webinar, we are breaking down how to create consistent car count.
Without relying on slow days, random spikes, or last minute discounts.
We are talking about building a system that keeps your schedule full.
With the right mix of work coming through your doors.
More cars,
Better customers,
smarter
smarter
strategy.
strategy. We will show you what is working right now to bring in quality vehicles.
And how shop owners across the country are keeping their bays full week after week.
So join us Wednesday, April 29th.
10 a.m. Pacific and 1 p.m. Eastern.
If you want more control over your car count,
And a marketing partner that is truly focused on your growth,
this
this is for
is
you.
for you. Click the link and save your spot.
And let's get the right cars into your shop.